Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in Dubai. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.dubaigem.ae. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of Dubai Gem Private School. In this main page menu available, in this menu one of the option contact us. If you click this link you can get one option careers. If you click this link careers you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for 22. So immediate vacancies we are recruiting for the following position: computer science teacher, IGCSE, AS or A level. What are the qualification? Master degree in computer science and additional teaching qualification will be an advantage. So primary humanities teacher, history and geography teacher, key stage 2 the year of 4 and 5 6, bachelor degree in history or geography and degree in education. Primary English teacher, key stage 2, bachelor degree in English and a degree in education. Secondary English teacher, key stage 3, master's degree in English and additional teaching qualification will be an advantage. Head of primary, master degree in education, leadership experience in a national curriculum school preferably in the UAE will be an advantage. So these are the vacancies for Dubai Gem private school. So they are recruiting the following position. So very important thing is please put the position applied for as the subject of your email. When you are applying you can mention which subject are you going to apply. You can mention in your email your subject details. So candidate applying to Dubai Gem private school should forward their comprehensive CV to carriers at dubaigem.ae. So you can send your CV to the carriers at dubaigem.ae. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So they here mention only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. If you want more details about this job, you can check it in the menu one by one. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.jess.sch.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of JESS Dubai. In this main page, left corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option working at JES. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for JES. So please note the following guidelines. The applicant from unmarried couples will be considered only in accordance with UAE law. The school reserves the right to make an earlier appointment if a suitable candidate is identified. The successful candidate will be subject to enhanced DPS or equivalent police check. How to apply? Please submit an application form along with your CV and letter of application via email to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. Please ensure the subject field of your email include the job title of the vacancy you are applying for to improve our sifting process. Only completed application will be considered. So what are the vacancies? In Jumeirah, part-time counselor. The successful applicant candidate should have the following experience and skill. So applicant must complete JES application form and send their CV and letter of application to Mr. S.O. Birian, Director, Jumeirah English Speaking School on recruitment@jess.sch.ae. The closing date of application is 14th October 2021. Only successful candidate will be contacted for an interview. The second one is the Ranches Secondary Teacher of Business Studies and Economics. This position available from January 2022. These are the requirements for this position. So please complete the JE's application form. As incomplete application will not be considered in the selection process. The Ranches Academy 6th Form Administrator. This is also going to start January 2022. Working hours 7:15 AM to 3:30 PM, Sunday to Thursday. The successful candidate must have the following requirement. A detailed job description is attached here for your reference. Job description for primary librarian. Working hours, salary scale, holiday entitlement, reporting to, what is the purpose of the post, main area of responsibility, key relationship. So this is the job description for sixth form administrator. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can send your JES application form, CV and letter of application to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. The closing date of application 12th October 2021. Before that, you can submit your job application as per the instruction. The successful applicant will be contact learning support assistant. If you are interested in this job vacancy, you can send your job application before 10th October 2021. Primary school librarian, this job is going to start January 2022. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can send your job application, CV and letter of application to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. The closing date of application 15th October 2021. So if you want the job description, you can click here, find the detailed job description here. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. So these are the vacancies for JESS. So before that, JES job application form we can check. This is JES Dubai job application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are 10 sections in this application form. You will require to send letter of application maximum of 2 pages and up to date CV maximum of 2 pages. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. The first one is application form in the personal details, higher education, teaching qualification, relevant professional courses attended in last 5 years, present employment, previous employment, summaries any interest, health and absence from work, references. Finally, you can give a declaration. Once you have filled this job application form, you can email this completed form and CV letter of application outlining your suitability for the position to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. Thank you for interest in Jumeirah English Speaking School. So this is JES application form. If you want more details about the JES, you can check it in the menu one by one. You can get it everything in the menu itself. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.brightridersdubai.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Bright Riders School Dubai. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option contact us. If you click this link contact us, we can get the careers option. So what are the vacancies for Bright Riders School Dubai? So thank you for interest in the Bright Riders Dubai. If you feel you can make a difference by being a part of team, please email us your latest CV at hr@brightridersdubai.com or info@brightridersdubai.com. Upon review, only selected candidate will be contacted by the school. So what are the vacancies? English teacher for middle school. Minimum qualification requirement BA or MA English with B.Ed certification with at least 2 years of UAE experience in the teaching age group of 10 to 14. Kindergarten teacher EYFS curriculum. Minimum qualification any bachelor with diploma in early years teaching. UAE experience of minimum 2 years. So these are the vacancies for Bright Riders School. If you are interested, you can send your latest CV to hr@brightridersdubai.com. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.